Hey everyone, I'm Devansh and today I'm introducing the HP Omen 17CK1022TX, a powerful gaming laptop designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. This laptop is equipped with 12th Gen Intel Core i7-12800HX processor and 32GB DDR5 RAM that ensures smooth performance even during intense gaming sessions. Its 43.9cm diagonal Quad HD display with 165Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time provides a stunning visual experience. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070Ti GPU with 8GB GDDR6 dedicated graphic memory takes your gaming experience to the next level, and with its realistic visuals and immersive gameplay. The laptop also comes with preloaded with Windows 11, Home 64 plus single language, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, McAfee LiveSafe and Alexa built-in for easy access to all your favorite applications and services. It has one Thunderbolt 4 port, one super speed USB Type-A 5GB per second signaling rate, two super speed USB Type-A 5GB per second signaling rate, one RJ45, one headphone microphone combo, one AC smart pin, one mini display port and one HDMI 2.1 for connectivity options. The HP Omen also comes with HP Wide Vision 720p HD camera with temporal, noise reduction and integrated dual array digital microphones. Check it out today.
Buying a laptop can be a lengthy task with so many options available. Here's a comprehensive list to help you choose the right laptop for your needs. Usage. Consider how you will use your laptop. Will you use it for work, gaming or entertainment? Different laptops are designed for different uses, so it's important to choose a laptop that fits your needs. Screen size. Laptop screens range in size from 11 inches to 17 inches. A smaller screen is more portable but may not be suitable for tasks that require a larger display such as photo and video editing. Processor. The processor is the brain of your laptop and affects its speed and performance. Choose a processor that fits your usage needs and budget. RAM. RAM is important for multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously. Choose a laptop with at least 8GB of RAM for optimal performance. Storage. There are two types of storage, hard disk drives and solid-state drives. SSDs are faster and more reliable but more expensive than HDDs. Choose a laptop with an SSD if you require faster performance. Graphics. Graphics are important for gaming and video editing. Choose a laptop with dedicated graphics card for better graphics performance. Battery life. If you plan to use your laptop on the go, battery life is important. Choose a laptop with a long battery life to avoid constantly needing to recharge. Connectivity. Consider the ports available on the laptop such as USB, HDMI and Ethernet. Also consider if the laptop has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. With these factors in mind, you can find a reliable and efficient laptop for your needs.